Our Smart Path mode provides 4 predetermined temperature settings that create various experiences in vaporization. Start up your IQ2 by pressing the control button 5 times. After the animation, you will see 3 blocks of LED lights blinking as your vaporizer heats up. Use your navigation buttons to switch smart paths for various experiences in temperature and intensity of flavors. Switch between smart paths and precision temperature mode at any time by clicking the control button once. Select your desired smart path and the LED light blocks will blink, indicating heating. When temperature is reached, the blocks will stop blinking and the IQ2 will vibrate and it's ready to vape. Thank you for watching. For more information about your DaVinci IQ2, please feel free to contact us through our support page, www.davincitech.com/support, or give us a call 1-800-336-7224.